Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If parental controls are not working on your system, then watch this video to fix it. Now, if parental controls are not working, for example, I have pre-installed Microsoft Family in my computer. So when I try to click on it, it should work. All right. But if this doesn't work for you, then we need to repair and reset the Microsoft Family app. So for that, we'll right click, go to settings, and then click on apps, installed apps, and we'll go to family. Okay, and then we will click on these three buttons here, go to advanced options, and then click on repair till I get a tick mark, and then click on reset and reset again till I get a tick mark, and that should solve the issue. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing I should check is if there are any apps that I've installed that are also parental control apps. If you have installed other parental control apps like Google Family Link, then what happens is both these apps will clash with each other and will stop working. Both of these apps will stop working. So if you have another parental control app installed in your computer, then just uninstall it from apps, installed apps, click on the three buttons and click on uninstall. Now, in spite of that, if your Google Family Link is not working, then you can uninstall it using the same method I told you. Right click on the left click on the three buttons and click on uninstall. And then in that case, you need to again go to Microsoft and you need to download the Microsoft Family Safety app and click on open then. Now, if the Microsoft app is not working, you can also look for the Google Family Link app, which is a great app. So I will search for Google Family Link app and I will click on download and it should install by its once you download, click the installation folder and it should install by itself. Now, a word of caution here, folks, again, like I said earlier, do not download more than one family control app. Just download one. It is either should be, say for example, Microsoft Family Safety, or if you're not using that, then you can use the Google Family Link, but don't use two or three apps at one time because then they will stop working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.